Hello and welcome to KBase video tutorials. In this video we will demonstrate how to create a Globus endpoint, how to link it to our KBase account, and how to use it to upload and download data. To do transfers in Globus, we must first create a Globus endpoint. Once we are logged into Globus, we will navigate to the endpoints and then click on the button to create a personal endpoint. This will take us to a page to download the appropriate desktop application for our operating system. Once that is completed, we'll run the application, and that will open up a new window to set up the endpoint. We'll click the Login button in the new window, which will open up a new browser tab to label the endpoint. Then we will enter a name and description for the new endpoint, and then hit Save. When a new window pops up indicating that setup was successful, we can click the Exit Setup button to complete the setup of the new endpoint. Now we can use this endpoint to transfer data in Globus. To connect to our KBase account, we will exit Globus and go to the KBase dashboard. We will then navigate to the Account tab and then go to Linked Sign-In Accounts. Then, at the bottom, click on the blue link button to link a Globus account. This will take us to a confirmation page confirming that we wish to link the Globus account we are signed in as with our KBase account. Now, we have Globus connected to our KBase account, and we can transfer data into and out of KBase. Next, we'll open up a narrative to show how to import and export data through Globus. To add data into KBase through Globus, we'll click on the Add Data panel in a narrative, and then navigate to the Import tab. We will click on the link to upload to the staging area using Globus, which will open up a new tab. Our KBase bulk share location is already listed as the destination on the right, and to choose the source location, we will click in our Collections, then in Your Collections, and then the endpoint we want to transfer from. We'll choose the file we want to upload, and then click Start. This transfer has been submitted successfully and will transfer in the background, so we can close these Globus tabs. Once the transfer is complete, we can return to the Data panel. We may need to click the refresh button if it doesn't show up immediately. Now we can add the data to our narrative by using the appropriate importer. We'll choose the file type from the drop-down menu, and then Import, and then run the app that is generated. To download the data through Globus, we will click on the object in the Data panel, and then click the Download button. We will choose the Staging option to export the data into the staging area, and then run the app that is generated. Once the app is completed, we can return to Globus to download it to our local machine. We'll choose the KBase bulk share collection and then the path as our username. We'll click on the workspace export where it exported the data, and then choose the file we want to download, and then choose our destination location. Then click the Start button to begin the transfer. Globus will perform the transfer in the background so we can close this tab and wait for it to transfer to our endpoint. Thank you for watching this KBase video tutorial. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Follow us on Twitter for updates about new functionality or KBase events. And if you have a question or encounter an error, please join our KBase help board.